Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to set up your own WordPress website. Whether you are planning to start a blog, an online store, or a business website, this guide will take you step by step through the entire process. Plus, I have an exclusive 20% discount for you when you purchase hosting through Hostinger. Make sure to check out the link in the description below to get started. First, let's talk about why WordPress is the best choice for your website. WordPress powers over 40% of the internet, and there is a good reason for that. That it's incredibly flexible, user-friendly, and has a huge community of developers and designers creating themes and plugins to help you customize your site exactly how you want it. Whether you are a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, WordPress is the best platform and perfect platform to bring your website to life. Next, you will need a reliable hosting service to get your WordPress site online. I recommend Hostinger not only because of their affordable pricing, but also because of their excellent performance and customer support. Let's go over the different hosting plans. Hostinger offers several plans, but for most beginners, the premium shared hosting, this plan is a great choice. It provides enough resources to run your site smoothly and includes a free domain for first year and also SSL certificate and unlimited bandwidth. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get 20% off on your purchase. Now, let me show you how you can get 20% off your hosting plan using my referral link. First, click on the select button under the premium shared hosting plan. When you reach the purchase screen, you will see the full price listed. But when you use my referral link, you will get a 20% discount. As you can see, the total drops to 20% off. This is a great way to save on your hosting cost. I won't be completing the purchase right now, but you can easily follow along and do this on hosting code. After your hosting and domain setup, installing WordPress is a breeze. Log into your Hostinger account, and from your dashboard, you will see an option for auto installer. Click on that and then select WordPress from the list. You will need to fill out some basic details like your site title, admin username, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your site secure. Once you have entered all the information, hit install and Hostinger will take care of the rest. In just few moments, your WordPress site will be up and running. Now that WordPress is installed, let's select a theme that's perfect for e-commerce. For this tutorial, we are going to use the Astra theme, which is popular for its speed, flexibility, and compatibility with e-commerce plugins. And it is also free. I mean, free has some good features you can use, but this theme is great to start if you don't want to pay in the start. So after installing and activating the Astra theme, we will apply a custom e-commerce template that Astra provides. To do this, go to Astra options and click on starter templates. You can preview different templates and choose the one that best fits your store's style. Once you have found the right template, click import complete site to apply it to your website. With your e-commerce template applied, it's time to customize it to match your brand. Let's start with the header. So go to appearance, customize, and from here you can edit your site's colors, fonts, and layout. You can also upload your own logo and adjust the menu to include the pages that are most important for your store. Make sure to explore the different customization option available, as Astra offers a lot of flexibility in terms of design. Now that your website is set up and customized, you are almost ready to start adding products and content. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to keep your site running smoothly. Make sure to regularly update your WordPress version, themes, and plugins to keep everything secure. That's it. You now have your own e-commerce website up and running with WordPress and Astra. Don't forget to check the description for your 20% discount on hosting. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you have any question or need further assistance.